guys, Miss Charlie here with an unusual video, I guess you could say. I'm going to be unboxing something that was sent to me from Clionadh Cosmetics. They reached out to me, about a month and a half, maybe 2 months ago. They saw my post that I put where I had the dragon fruit palette and the packaging broke, and I had depotted it and put it. Words are hard today. Goodness gracious. I had put it into a Z palette. So they reached out to me and said, would I like to get the new packaging for the dragon fruit palette and let me know their thought. Let them know my thoughts. There we go. So we're gonna open it together. It's already out. If you buy the new dragon fruit palette, this is what it's gonna be in. I guess you can also buy this and then take it out and put the one that you have in there if it breaks or whatever. But I'm gonna open this in front of you and we're gonna see what's in here. And this is a very sweet note, and you can read it there, and I'll pause it if you want to read it. But it says, "Hi Charlanda," which is my real name, Charlanda. I go by Charlie. We're very sorry for the issue with your original dragon fruit palette component. This new replacement can be used to hold your dragon fruit shadows. To transfer, simply take a household magnet, fridge magnet, and catch the side of each pan. The shadows will release from their well and can be placed in the new palette. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact us at their email. Sincerely, I can't read the name there, and the Clionadh team. So that was very, very sweet for them to send it to me. And look at the little packaging right there with the little dragon fruit, because I still have some of the stickers from when I got the palette about a year or so ago. It is so cute. Look at this. I don't like pink, but this is cute. And then we open her up, and we have the Clionadh Cosmetics thing in there, and then we have the thing that came with the dragon fruit collection as well. And then we have the component. So I'm gonna open this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we have the little lookbook in here, which is really cute. And then it just gives you some ideas of some looks you can do and how to do them. Very cute. And then it tells you the different shades, the sparkle, the duochromes, the velvet satin, metallic, and the 2 multi-chromes. And then this is the palette. Looks like the other one, but the other one is here. It was heavier and thicker, and it was like a clearer plastic. This one is smaller and cardboard, and that's what it looks like on the inside. So I'm going to get my palette here. I have mine in this Morphe Z palette, and there it is right there. And I'm going to go ahead and take these out and put them in here. Okay, and the magnet that I use is on this lipstick. This is a lipstick from Trestique. The top part is magnet. It's a magnet. So this is what I use when I want to get things out of Z palettes. So if you have a magnetized lipstick, you can use something like this. And then I just go in and I will pick it up like that. And I did mark them all so I know where they go. So this one is in prickly, and I will swatch them all once I get them all inside, or I can swatch them now. We can do it that way. So we're gonna swatch prickly, This is, let me turn it over, then we can look together. This is one of their velvet satins. Very pretty purple. So we're going to put that one here. Then we have, I'm making a mess here. Then we have Infusion. Infusion is a sparkle shadow. It's got a little bit of pink in it, pink and purples. And Infusion goes here. Next one we have is Exotic. This is a metallic formula. And that one goes here. And then we have Dragon Teeny. You can kind of see the flip on that. And Dragon Teeny is a multi-chrome. You can see it's like a pink, green, purple, gold. It's got a little bit of everything in there, except for blue. See the green? It's very pretty. And Dragon Teeny will go right here. Next I have Sweetened, which is just a satin. It's a pretty fuchsia pink, kind of like Exotic, but a little bit lighter. It's a little bit lighter. And then Sweetened goes here. Strawberry, which is strawberry pear. Yeah, strawberry pear. This one is a satin. It's like a coral peach. Very pretty. Strawberry pear. There. This one is in Hyloceris. This is their dual chrome. It's a pink, purple. It's like got a really pretty fuchsia and then a purple. I don't know if you can tell. Let me try. That one goes here. I don't know if you're able to see it, but it's a pink and purple, like a fuchsia. Then we have, is this Refresh? This is Refresh, which is a metallic. It's a pretty muted pink. This one is, I can't pronounce this. I'll just put the name right here. And it's a pretty lime green. This one is a velvet satin. It's very pretty. And that one goes here. Then we have Dragonfly, which is a pretty green. It is a metallic, more of a froggy green. These colors are all so smooth. We have Dragonfly. Get in there. It wants to stick to the palette. There we go. And this one is in Fruit Fizz, I think. Yep, Fruit Fizz. This one is a dual chrome It's like a peach orange, peachy orange gold. You can tell from there. It's a peachy orange gold color. And that goes here. And then this one is an effervescent. Come on. I know you want to come out. There we go. The bigger ones are harder to deal with, but we will get her out. There we go. This is an effervescent. This is a sparkle. This is like a peachy gold as well. Put it over here. It's so pretty. Put this here before I drop it. There. So pretty. And then the last one is Bubbles. Try to get her out of here without me digging my fingers in it. There she goes. It's effervescent. That's Bubbles, which is a glitter iridescent duochrome. You can see this very well. And you can get these separately. You can buy these separately too, I believe. But this has like green, purple, pink. It's so pretty. So pretty. And then she's gonna go right in there. So we're gonna get rid of this. And these are other Clionadh shadows that I have in here as well. We'll go through those when I do my singles later on. But there that is. She's laid out nicely. Beautiful, beautiful. Again, we have swatches of her. I know they're kind of wonky and whatnot. I will put some better ones at the end so you can see it a little bit better. But thank you so very much to Clionadh for sending me this. I appreciate them looking and seeing that I had that issue and reached out to me to send me this new packaging. I really thank them so very much, and I love their eyeshadows. I would love to get more, but right now this is great. But I appreciate them so much. I also appreciate you for being here, watching, and hanging out with me. And I will link them below, so if you are interested in getting this palette or the singles, again, you can buy these as singles. I'll link them below. I'm not affiliated, so please check them out. They're a great company. They've been around for a long time, a great indie brand. But like, share, and subscribe. Follow me here on YouTube and on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next video.